We're on page 16 of our Linear Functions booklet. This is the Law of Sameness. We're combining like terms. 3 cats plus 12 cats is equal to 15 cats. 1 dog plus 3 cats plus 2 dogs. It wouldn't be 6 cats. It wouldn't be 6 dogs. You could put 6 animals, but in this case, we're going to be specific. So we want to put how many dogs and how many cats. Well, 1 plus 2 is 3. So we have 3 dogs. And, so we'll put a plus sign, 3 cats. "14 inches plus 2 feet is equal to blank inches." You can't directly add these together, so let's convert 2 feet to 24 inches. So 24 plus 14 is 38. 38 inches. Let's combine like terms here. So first, we have 2x plus x minus parentheses 3 plus y. We're going to distribute the negative sign into each term. So then we have 2x plus x minus 3 minus y. From here we can combine like terms. Well, this has an x and this has an x. So let's add those together. 2x plus 1x is 3x. So we're done with those. Okay, we have a constant, -3. Negative y is not the same thing as the constant -3, so we could just put the -3. And then the negative y is what's left over. So we'll go ahead and insert that. And this is our reduced expression, simplified expression. Now the next one, we have x squared minus 3x plus 4x plus 7. Well, first we're going to combine like terms. X squared is not the same thing as x. And it's the only x squared we have in this expression, so we just carry that over. We have -3x and plus 4x. If you add those together, you have a plus 1x. And then our constant at the end is a plus 7. We just carry that over because there's no other constants in this expression. So your simplified expression will be x squared plus 1x plus 7. Now for this last one, we have 6x squared plus 7x plus 1 minus 5x plus 3xy minus 1. Well, let's first look at our x squared terms. X squared, there's no other x squared, so let's just go ahead and carry that over. 6x squared. And then we're done with that one. Okay, plus 7x. Let's see what other x's we have. That's a constant. Oh, here's an x. Minus 5x. This one would be an x, but there's a y attached to it. We can't add dogs with cat dogs. So 7x minus 5x is a plus 2x. Okay, let's look at our constants. We have a plus 1. We have a minus 1. Well, 1 minus 1 is 0, so they just cancel out. And let's look at our last one. We have 3 times x times y. There's nothing else that looks like that, so we just carry that over. So 6x squared plus 2x plus 3xy is our simplified expression. Okay, let's go to solving for one variable equations. So first thing we do is make sure that each expression on both sides of these equal signs are simplified like the ones up here. Well, x can't be added to a constant, so that's simplified. X can't be added to a constant, so that's simplified. Now we want to move all of our x's on one side of the equal sign and all of our constants to the other side of the equal sign. So to get rid of this plus 1, let's do minus 1 on both sides of your equal sign. You could draw a line down the middle to help you keep track of which side is which. Well, 1 minus 1 is 0. And then you carry down the 5 over 7x. Carry down the 3/7 x. And then 15 minus 1 is a plus 14. Okay, now we want to bring our x's to the other side, to the left side. So to do that, the opposite of a plus 3 over 7x is a minus 3 over 7x. Well, these are the same denominator, so that means you can subtract them. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we have 2 over 7x equals, this is 0. Carry down your plus 14. There you go. We still want to get x by itself, but it has a coefficient in front, 2 over 7. Well, the opposite of 2 over 7 is 7 over 2. So we just flip the fraction and multiply both sides of the equal sign. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is also 1. So we have 1x equals 14 divided by 2 is 7. And 7 times 7 is 49. 49 is our solution. That is our answer. If you were to plug that back in on both sides for x, you should get a true statement here. Let's look at the next example. Pause the video, try this one on your own. When you're finished trying it, talk to the people in your group, see if you got the same thing. And then unpause the video to see if you got the right answer. The correct answer is x equals 27. So just like in the other example, we're going to subtract the constants onto one side and subtract the variables onto the other side. Get rid of the coefficient in front of x. Simplify your fractions. You get x equals 27. We'll do the rest of the page in part 2.